and sir. I'm Gina A. Javier, 30 years old of age. I have two kids girl, age of 8 years old and 10 years old. I have two sisters and two brothers, and I am a first in my family. I am a Roman Catholic, and I'm happily married for 10 years. I have experience in Bangsamoro, Beirut, Lebanon for 2 years, and I'm finished Canada. And I have experience in Jurong West, Singapore, but it's only 5 months and break contract. I have experience here in Philippines as a nanny of 5 years old baby. I do housework like cleaning the house, cooking, gardening, laundry, and take care of the child. Responsible, hardworking, honest, and trustworthy, loving and caring on children, mom and sir. If you hire me, I promise to be a good helper, staying of your family as long as you need me. I hope that you choose me as a domestic worker. Thank you, mom and sir, and hope to see you in Hong Kong.